Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can start making more than $100 up to $500 in a single day without you doing any big effort. And I call this is the latest way for you to earn money in 2023, because you can earn money from comfort of your home and you can also earn money while you sleep. So let's dive in and see how it works and how to sign up to this money making method in 2023. This money making method is called affiliate marketing, and do not worry, in this video I have the easiest way that will help you to start making money through affiliate marketing. So do not worry, we are just going to cover step by step how you can have successful affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you sell somebody's product and you receive commission from it. Different companies, they let others to promote and sell their products, and you're just going to get commission right after somebody purchases a product from the link that you shared. You really don't have to do anything but directing somebody to go to buy product through your link that you are sharing. So this is really easy, and I'm going to tell you how can you have successful affiliate marketing, and this is a very important part for you to understand. So you have to choose the right niche. You have to decide a niche that aligns with your interest. You have to do something that you are interested with, because this will be more easier for you to promote what you're promoting, for you to promote any product that you are interested in. So it's very good for you to choose a niche that aligns with your interest and you do something that you love. But the moment that you're choosing the right niche for you, you have to understand that there are some niche can pay you high commission, but other niches, they really cannot pay you high commission, they can pay you low commission. Any topic related to money, any topic related to insurance, these are some of niches that are going to pay you with high commission, more than 60% or 50%. But any affiliate program or niches that is related to babies, traveling, they really cannot pay you high commission. They usually pay like 3% of commission. So you have to be careful when you're choosing the right niche for you, and I recommend that when you choose, you make sure that this niche is going to make me a lot of money, and you have to make sure that you are really interested on a certain niche that you have chosen. This is a really important part. You have to select the right affiliate program offers, and this is very important because before joining to any affiliate program, you have to understand what are the commission of a certain program. How much am I going to receive through this affiliate program? And also you have to consider that how easy your promoted product will get people to click on that product. This is something that you will have to consider. You have to understand the product. It's very essential to understand inside out the product that you're promoting to your audience, because this knowledge will help you to create authentic and informative content for your audience. You have to build trust with your audience. Like any other business, it's very important to build trust with your audience or customers, because when they trust you, it's very easy for them to click on any link that you are sharing to them. So this is very recommending that you really have to have this audience that they really trust you, and they can click any link that you're sharing to them because of your trust to them and because of the value that you bring to them. But also you need to be transparent on anything that you do, on any link that you are sharing to them. This is very important. And right after building trust with your audience, I guarantee you that you're just going to get a lot of customers, because many people are going to click on your links, then you're going to get a lot of commission through your audience. This is very important and something that you have to consider. You have to take it as a priority. You have to build traffic source that will help you to get clicks, and I'm talking about you have to create a YouTube channel, you have to create a website, or you have to create a blog spot. This is a place that you're just going to share your links from affiliate programs. You're going to share to this platform, and after sharing to this platform, anyone who is going to click through your links and purchase anything that you promoted, you're just going to get a commission. So it's very important to make sure that you are building this traffic source somewhere that you're just going to get all these people who are going to click on your links. This is very important. You have to make sure that when you are creating this traffic source, make sure that you build trust, but also you need to provide value to your audience. I really encourage you to start right now. It's very easy. You just have to make sure that you choose between website or blogspot, YouTube channel, or you can have them both. It's up to you to make sure that you're getting a lot of traffic to these links. It's really possible And I'm seeing a lot of content creators are making a lot of money out of it. They can make up to $5,000 a month, $50,000 a month. So why can't you try this and see how much you're going to make on this? Before joining to any affiliate program, you have to understand what kind of product that you want to promote on your platform. And when I'm talking about a platform, I mean that on your YouTube channel, on your blogspot, or on your website. This is very important for you to understand what kind of product that you really want to promote, because there are many products that you can promote, and you can promote physical products. When I'm talking about physical products, I mean anything that can be touched, laptop, television, or anything that you can touch. These are physical products. But also digital products, I'm talking about online courses and softwares, ebooks. These are digital products. And also you can promote services. When I'm talking about services, I mean that web hosting, online books, or any online tools. These are some of products that you can promote on your platform. It just depends on your interest. So this is the laziest way for you to earn money in 2023, and I said this is the laziest way because you really cannot perform it physically. You really don't have to sell anything physically. You're just going to promote on your platform and you're just going to earn money. So I really encourage anyone who is out there and who is looking for something that is going to make him or her a lot of money. I think this is a very good opportunity for you to start making money through affiliate marketing. And when you start affiliate marketing, is going to take effort and hard work, but just after building your audience and building a very trusted community, you're just going to get a lot of money out of it. And I've seen a lot of YouTubers, I've seen a lot of people who are making more than 6 figures just by affiliate marketing. So it's really important for you to start right now. You can start this year, but next year you can have another story. You can have a very successful story about affiliate marketing, because this is like the very trusted platform for you to start making money through affiliate marketing. And I encourage you, when you start, you're just going to face a lot of challenges. You are just going to feel tired, but if you will be consistent on whatever you're doing to promote this product, I'm pretty sure that you're just going to receive a lot of success. Thank you so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I'm really happy talking to you right now. Thank you.